Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the settings needs your review problem on Facebook. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Now tap on Facebook and check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated showing. Now tap on update option. Okay, now complete a few minutes and update your Facebook app to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen and go to your phone settings, scroll down, then tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for Facebook. See, now tap on Facebook app and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, back and now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow back, second call logs allow back, third camera allow back, and another contacts and accounts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Last allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and open your Facebook, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now. Thank you.